Do you do a lot of editing on your PC and a lot of listening to your PC? If you do, you're going to want top tier professional monitoring headphones. That's where these guys live. These are top tier professional monitoring headphones. So if you are obviously needing to dial in that track, if you're working with studio music or anything like that, this is going to help you do that. Now, again, I want to stress the fact that they're monitoring headphones, not gaming headphones, right? You're not going to use these for voice. Where it really excels is listening. But however, these are super comfortable, and it does come with a aux cable. So these are not Bluetooth, these are plug-in headphones, which is why they're studio quality or professional quality, is because it plugs into the aux cable, but you do have a microphone just like that, right? That's your microphone. You don't have one of those head turning microphones like a gamer Bluetooth headset microphone. It's not one of those. So now that we know what it isn't, how does it perform as to what it is supposed to be? And I'm going to tell you right out of the gate, it performs really well. So if you're doing a ton of editing, you want these to be comfortable, you want to just dial in, lock in, and get your editing done and hear all the different soundtracks that you have when you're putting editing profiles together, then these are going to be the ones for you. So it's also kind of really unique too as well. So if, let's say that you do work at a call center, that's probably a really good use case for this. I'm going to plug this in left or right. It doesn't really matter, but we're going to plug this in and you twist that in so it actually will twist in and lock in just like that, and it locks in so that these don't come out. We're going to put these on my left hand side because my computer's on the left hand side, but you also have one on the right hand side. So if you had two of these and somebody like at a call center or somebody like that wanted to come in and listen to your call, they could just slap another aux cable into theirs, in their headphone, and they're listening to the same audio source that you are. So kind of like what I would consider like a daisy chain of audio. So you just take this end, plug it into your computer, and now you're good to go. So really quick, I will add the disclaimer that these are not, again, not for audio, because this is your only microphone that you have right here. Now on here, you do have a button, so you can mute it. You can mute your mic just like that, or you can accept a call if you had it into your headphone device or whatever. If you're using that into your phone, this is like one of those phone buttons. Let me quickly show you the microphone audio. Okay, so what you're hearing right this second is the microphone audio here, and I'm going to put it up to my mouth, but now I'm going to just let it drop as if I'm doing that. So as if I'm just continuing to edit and then somebody just called me and I needed to take a call, or I'm talking on a Discord event or a Skype, a Zoom call or something like that. This is the audio that you're going to be getting through a computer. So this is through a computer. This is not through a phone. This is not through like a Switch or an Xbox or anything like that. This is straight through the computer. All right, so again, now that we have out of the way where the microphone may not excel, the audio does excel. And right now I'm listening to a bunch of different tracks on my audio editing. I'll show you this really quick. As I'm editing my audio, here's my timeline right here, and I have a bunch of different tracks that are stacked on top of each other, but I want to really hit it and get that audio precision, so that's really good as well. So that's really good for me that I can actually do that. The other thing is you do have another aux cable. Now you have this big fat boy right here. Now that fat boy can go into a mixing board, or for me, I like to throw that into my guitar and then the other end into here so that I can hear my electric guitar going when I play. So that's kind of cool. So you have that for instruments. Now, what my son loves to do is he loves to take this cable right here, and you can actually stick this right here into an Xbox controller, and now you're good to go. And I love it because now I don't have to hear his games. He can listen to it in his Xbox. And so this works for an Xbox, a PlayStation, even a Switch. You can hear all the sounds in here instead of out and around, right? All right, so if you're looking for some headphones that you can listen to, monitor, play with, that are studio quality, professional grade, that actually aren't gonna break the bank, then these might just level up your editing game or even your game.